Okay, so this kit is all dried and ironed, and these are the colors I used. And a couple things happened here. The denim blue, as I squirted the dye on the pages, it came out purple. And then I think I got even more purple from mixing these two together. Another thing it could be about this coming out purple is that this is probably designed to be used all at once, and maybe all the colors made up to make this denim blue color were not mixed together well enough. So I'm thinking that could be the other reason. I'm really not sure why. It's very strange. I don't know what happened. But just so you know, when you buy these dyes, what you see isn't always what you get. So also one other thing, excuse me, I put a lot of the leaves down and then did dye on top of them, as you saw, and didn't get it underneath, and I ended up with these blobs. So I think it's really important to get dye on the page first and then put the plants down, or make sure that you get it underneath somehow. Some of the pages are like this, but I'm just going to go ahead and put this in my shop as is, and you get an extra sheet here. This time, these are 26 page kits. And the reason why is I tried I tried cardstock this time to sandwich them together, and it fell apart. I did 2 sheets per each end of the paper like that, and then put the metal grates on. I got 1 out of 4 sheets. So, and then here's the back side, and I think the back side's a pretty grunge paper. So I'm going to go ahead and include this with this kit. So this one will be 26 sheets, and I'm just going to go ahead and play some music and do a flip through. So I'm calling this kit Twilight Forest. And there are some pages in here there are some that are much better than others. But I really like this kit. I think it's quite magical. And, you know, you can go ahead and use a bunch of colors. I just don't want to run the risk of muddying things up. And I think this was about right. I mean, there is tons of color in here out of 3 colors. So I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and I really hope you try doing this. It's the season for it. Grab yourself some leaves and some dye and a cheap roasting pan and the other supplies, and give this a shot, because you will have papers that can last you forever. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and hit that notification bell for all the fun tutorials and paper packs to come.